The correct answer is B. Easement appurtenant. Appurtenant means runs with the land. An easement appurtenant is an easement allowing the use of a neighboring property, which automatically transfers upon the sale of either dominant or servient property. Question 5. In real estate, what is the closest meaning to the term quieting a title? A. Clearing any liens or encumbrances. Bob's actions are acceptable as long as he doesn't sign any contracts. The correct answer is B. Bob's actions are illegal and can lead to legal consequences. Conducting real estate activities without a license is prohibited in most jurisdictions.